La 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 la. Isla's cooking tips.
Ding! Isla's cooking tips. Starring Isla.
Hello. I'm here today to bring some light into your kitchen. I'm sure you're all probably sitting there thinking, chocolate, cup of tea, how do they combine? Well, let me change that story for you. Here we have a blue riband. It's a pun. And a cup of hot, sweet tea. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so we're going to use this blue ribbon, and just a little bit hot. You know, I think it's getting hot in the kitchen. Oh, okay, yeah, that's better. So get the blue ribbon and a cup of tea. And this is what I like to call the Tim Tam tip. It's not a Tim Tam. We don't live in Australia. We can't get Tim Tams. Unless you're me and you're very rich and you just fly over and get them. Anyway, we take a nibble off the end. And as you saw there, I've taken a nibble off both ends. Now I'm going to turn this into a straw, okay? And we suck. So you've definitely started drinking the tea on the other side. Give it some time for the heat to melt and watch this, guys. Chocolate has melted. La 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 la.
Isla's cooking tips.